East River is a 150-acre mixed-use development over 1 mile east of downtown Houston. It was the largest contiguous undeveloped tract within the 610 loop. The project is a long-term project, 20 to 30 years ultimately to completely build it out. We've just completed the first phase, which is about 26 acres. When you're working on a project the scale of East River, it is important to have partners that are versatile and can address all the product types. That way you're not dealing with multiple consultants. So by having TEAL be able to help us with our hot water system and also the chilled water system on the commercial side, it made our lives so much easier and the whole project much more seamless.
It was really nice for us to be part of it just because of redeveloping this area. We had multiple office buildings that we wanted to put our TEAL iPlant system on it, provide chill water systems to it, and not to mention the on-site multifamily property, the Laura. We have a domestic hot water system there too.
Our biggest commitment at TEAL is 100% uptime. Most people hear that and they say, yeah, right. That's unheard of in our industry. But we've proven that. 20 years in, over 500 projects under contract, and we've got 99.9998% uptime.
If you look at how efficient a piece of equipment is rated from the manufacturer, when you start looking at what TEAL does with our remote monitoring and our beacon technology, we're able to up that efficiency even more. We're watching it, we're programming things to run at optimal times of the day. Quite often we're seeing efficiencies exceed what manufacturers are rating their equipment to be.
The amount of information that we receive from our monitoring system and the decisions that we can make from our NOx room versus having a technician out there in the field is above and beyond what anybody else can do, and that's what makes TEAL so unique.
So if we see some low hot water return temps coming back, maybe we bump up the system a little bit, and the end user doesn't even notice that something was wrong, but our guys are able to address those situations remotely before the property sees any kind of negative impact from the system.
It just makes sense. I mean, it's using the technology that we have available today to monitor what we're doing real time and make adjustments. I mean, that's basically what it comes down to. To us, that's really exciting because we can prolong our system's life. We can adjust real time as needed to increase our energy savings. It's kind of a no-brainer.
When an owner can take their central plant and turn that over as a whole to TEAL, that's a huge advantage for them. And they're not trying to cut and parcel. They're able to turn the whole thing over to us and not have to worry about it.
The TEAL team is probably one of the most personable and intelligent teams that I've had the pleasure of working with in a really long time. You can tell that they love what they do. Pretty much everyone we worked with had been with the company for a really long time. So there was continuity from day one when they were pitching the concept to us and helping us work through the analytics to now with these buildings operational and really going back and comparing these real-time results to what we had initially envisioned.